Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the 11th month of the year 2023. Welcome to a new month. Yes, this video will be dropping on the 1st of November. So I am welcoming each and every one of you to a new month. But first, let me appreciate you all for the love you showed me in October. We break 3 amazing milestone, and that was a lot for me. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for showing up for me always. So guys, this is the 11th month of the year. I want to say a simple prayer, and I pray today that God of 11th hour visit each and every one of you. That thing that you couldn't do for the last 10 months of the year, God of wonders will cause it to happen in this remaining 2 months of the year. Welcome to your new era. I pray that no matter the hardship, we will flourish indeed. So guys, in today's video, I want to show you how to make these delicious, yummy, crunchy, tasty fish rolls. Okay, so yeah, what I'm doing now, I'm just like seasoning my fish. I added this Titus mackerel, I don't know, whatever you call it, into a clean water on my stove. I added rosemary, thyme, curry powder, and seasoning cubes. Okay, and for special treatment, I added lasso fish seasoning, and I added a bit of salt. So I'm going to get this to cook like you want this to cook, and you want all of this water to dissolve, like to just disappear into your fish. That's what you want. So I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook gently. So the next slide, yes, now I want to show you what I will be adding to my fish once it's well cooked and it's time to garnish. I always take any opportunity to add carrots to my fillings because of the nutritious value of carrots. And I have some white onions finely sliced and some ginger grated in there. So this is basically everything I'll be garnishing with. Okay, if there's any need to add more seasoning, I will, but for veggies, this is it. Okay, so let's move forward to making our dough. In a bowl, a clean bowl, I added 2 cups of flour. See guys, do well to check the description box, as I will be showing you everything in detail, like the measurement and the ingredients I used. So all you want to do is to add up all your dry ingredients, including your margarine or butter you are using. Add it to this bowl and get it to mix into a dough. And for the water, I'll be using cold water, and I'm going to be adding that bit by bit until I create a not so hard, not so soft, but slightly soft dough. Okay, because this is a frying method, so you don't want your dough to be hard, just so that it can fry even to the inside. So I'll just allow you enjoy the video. If there's any need to comment, I will be back here to tell you guys what you need to know. So for the egg, I actually need 1 egg for this recipe, but I need a little bit of egg to close my dough when I'm wrapping. So that is why I'm whisking it in a different bowl. I'm going to take like the part of it and add to my dry ingredients, and then I'll preserve some, just a little, okay, just to close up my dough when I'm wrapping. So that is it. And now I'm just going to work this on with my hands until everything is well combined, while I add my cold water bit by bit until I get my desired consistency. So let me use this opportunity to inform you about my WhatsApp channel once again. See guys, if you are not in that channel, you are missing a whole lot, because I have taken my time to drop messages, like to teach all of you, because when you get there you're still going to meet the messages. I have taken my time to teach about pricing, how to go into online marketing, business as a whole. Like, there's a lot of teaching that I can't even put in a video. There's a lot of teaching going down there, so all you need to do is to join. Okay, click the link. I will leave the link in the description. Click it and join. Better still, you can just type Temilayo and Mom recipes on your channel search and you'll find me there. Guys, you really need to join. If you are into business, if you have someone into business, send them the link. It will really be beneficial to them. As time goes, I'll be sharing anything, ideas, anything I get to know, I'll be sharing with you guys. Okay, so let me know if you have any trouble joining with the link. So far I have gone ahead to shred my fish. I actually just shred it in the same pot because I don't want any of those liquid to waste. And the next thing, I added a bit of vegetable oil to my wok. I added my onion and ginger mix, and I'm going to saute this for a few minutes just to get the flavor well released. At this point my house is smelling so good, and I love ginger a lot. I love the smell of ginger. So I'm adding my fish, my already deboned shredded fish. I'm adding it to the onion ginger oil mix. Yeah, I'm going to stir this and fry it for some time. Yeah, you want to fry until most of the oil is like absorbed in the fish. You want to fry this to get like a crispy kind of feeling. Okay, you don't want it to be too dry, but you just want your fish to be fried. Okay, so at that point I remembered, oh, I'm married to a Yoruba man. Let me add pepper to this. And you know what that means? I had to go and slice up some scotch bonnet, and I add it. And see guys, you really need pepper in your fish roll. It changed the taste. It gives it this unique, enjoyable taste. Okay, so at this point I'm still going to add my carrots, and this is basically everything. And you can taste and see if you like the taste. If you don't, you can go ahead and add seasoning or anything that you want to add. But because I didn't waste any of my fish liquid, so everything is in there. I think I added a bit of salt or something, but yeah, okay, I added the remaining of my lasso fish seasoning, and that was it. Yeah, I actually left this half for this final touch. Okay, and that was it. Actually, the fish is tasting good, the everything is well perfectly done in there, and my carrot still remains crunchy. And yeah, that's everything you need. So our filling is ready. You can see how beautiful it looks. This is so yummy. You might just want to finish it up like this, but we have a mission. Let's continue. So now my dough have rested for like 5-6 minutes, and it's time to roll. So now I'm going to spread some flour, just a few. Like, you don't need too much flour for this process. Actually, you can see how soft my dough is. This is the texture that you want. So I'm just going to need a bit more because I want the dough to be like a softer and yeah, well combined. So I'm just needing a bit more. And the next thing you want to do is to cut this in smaller bits. Okay, you want to cut this in smaller bits just so it's easier to roll depending on the size that you want. I really don't want this too big, but at the end of the day it still came out big. Yeah, I was tired. I just needed to hurry up and just relax. Okay, so you want to cut it in bits, and yeah, you see how I roll. Just enjoy this video guys, it's really nice. Okay, this came out really crunchy, it came out really tasty. I would like for you guys to try it. Please let's make the likes to match the views. Like this video, please. I'm begging, just help me to like this video. That way the algorithm will take it to a wider audience and my video might just go viral. Guys, please help me please. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's get rolling. Let's add our filling into this amazing dough. Okay, So guys, we are done rolling out everything and we got 8 large fish rolls and my oil is preheated. I'm already adding it. You want to fry this in medium heat, please. Medium heat. If your heat is too high, guys, it's just going to get brown and it's not going to be well cooked inside. So try to fry it in medium low heat, just so that you can enjoy your fish roll like the inside out everywhere is well cooked and golden brown. Okay, so reduce your heat, make sure you are frying in medium low heat. Okay, so you can increase your heat later, but for the beginning just make sure your heat is on a medium. So I'm just going to add everything because my work is quite big, and yeah, like I said, I don't have time to really waste on this. So I'm adding everything at once. You might decide not to overcrowd your pan, but my pan is big, and yeah, everything was able to sit perfectly well in there. And yeah, I'm just going to fry it and you see what it looks like, guys.
I'm sorry, it's not money, don't call me. It's been a long way coming. It no go make sense if you don't know the journey. I do, I promise, mommy. Bad man got no worries. Just like yesterday, mama tell me, say, make a wise up.